Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some smothered potatoes. So I've got all of my ingredients out here on my cutting board. I've got some freshly chopped potatoes and broccoli. This is 1 cup of vegetable broth. I've got Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I will leave the recipe in the description box below. So this is the vegetable broth. This happens to be a fat-free vegetable broth that I had on hand, but use whatever type of broth you prefer. So I'm going to start by spraying and coating my pressure cooker with nonstick cooking spray, and I'm going to pour in the entire cup of vegetable broth. I'm going to cook the potatoes first because potatoes take longer to cook than broccoli. And so with that being the case, I'm going to start to add my potatoes to the pressure cooker. I'm also going to add half of my ingredients because I also want the broccoli to be well seasoned. So once I get my potatoes in the pressure cooker, then I'll start adding in my ingredients. Now, what makes these smothered potatoes is that it's going to actually make a gravy. One thing that I did not show on camera that I did off camera was that I added in some flour. So if you like a thicker gravy, you will want to add in more flour. And this Worcestershire sauce gives it a nice brown color. So I'm sprinkling in half of my garlic powder, half of my salt, and half of my pepper. And then I'm going to cook these potatoes for 12 minutes. After the first 12 minutes, I'm going to release the pressure, then add in my broccoli and the other half of the ingredients. So this is the other half of the garlic powder, salt, and pepper. One other ingredient that makes this dish really delicious are onions, but because I'm cooking this for my boys, they don't love onions, so I'm gonna omit onions from the recipe. While the pressure cooker is going on, I'm over at my rice cooker, and I did want to show you this Country Crock plant-based butter. It is a pretty good alternative. If you're looking for a healthier form of butter, this is really good. And I'm showing you the side is dairy-free. It says that even butter lovers love this butter, and I can vouch for that. If you like almond products, I think you'd really enjoy that butter. But that's it. Once the rice is done, you will have a heaping hot plate of delicious smothered potatoes with rice and broccoli. So I'm going to give you this up close view, and it is just absolutely amazing and well seasoned. So that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on that notification bell, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.